What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're checking out the Oladance Wearable Stereo Earbuds. So these are a completely open style earbud that simply rests around your ear and projects sound towards your ear. So there's not anything actually going into your ear, which is good for multiple reasons. For one, it's a lot more comfortable. So like I said, you don't have anything actually going into your ear causing any discomfort. So you can wear these for a lot longer periods of time with very little to no fatigue. Another benefit is awareness. We have a lot of earbuds that are coming out with transparency mode, which is a feature that, draws in your surroundings so that you can hear what's going on around you. Well, with these, that's not necessary because, like I said, there's nothing going into your ears. So you can enjoy your music and still maintain excellent awareness. So if you do a lot of, jogging, hiking, or biking, or just activities where you need to maintain a certain level of awareness for safety reasons, these are going to be a good pair to check out. So up until now, the closest thing that I've tested to these was the Bose Sport Open earbuds. And for 200 bucks, in my opinion, those were pretty underwhelming. In fact, I think the Oladance is a much better option, and I'm going to tell you guys why. So let's go ahead and check these out, starting with the case. So the case is very similar to a case that you would see for a pair of glasses, maybe just slightly smaller, but the case is larger than most cases that you're going to get with a pair of earbuds, but I would say it's still slim enough that it could fit into a pocket if necessary. And the thing about this case is that it doesn't actually hold a charge, so in order to charge the earbuds themselves, the case has to be plugged in with a USB Type-C cable. When it comes to the case, one thing I like a lot better about this case compared to the case that you get with the Bose earbuds is that the case actually has magnets to help keep the earbuds in place. With the Bose earbuds, there are no magnets in the case, so the earbuds are free to just fall out whenever. With the earbuds, you basically have two sections. You have the speaker portion towards the front and the battery towards the back, both of which are connected by a titanium wire frame. The earbud is somewhat flexible, but not to the point that it would mold to the shape of your ear. Something else that I like about these compared to the Bose Sport Open earbuds is that the inner side of the earbud is made of a soft silicone instead of just a plastic, so that definitely helps in terms of comfort. These also feature touch controls, and they give you access to all of your playback controls, including volume. So you don't have to reach for your phone to change the song or change the volume or just pause your music. So the earbuds are running Bluetooth 5.2 and they do support independent use, so you can listen to just one earbud at a time. As far as battery life, you're looking at roughly 16 hours on a single charge. If you want to extend that number, the company does offer an actual charging case that will extend your total battery life to 94 hours. But that is something you'll have to add on to your purchase. As far as water resistance, these feature an IPX4 rating, which makes them splash and sweat proof. So if they happen to get wet, they're going to hold up just fine, but this is not a pair that you want to completely submerge in water. So when it comes to the fit, these are basically as comfortable as it gets. They're surprisingly lightweight, and the silicone feels very soft against the skin. I will say if you have smaller ears like myself, they feel like they could be a little bit tighter, but thanks to the ear hook design, I never felt like they were going to completely fall off. So as long as you're not doing backflips or some sort of activity that causes you to be upside down, these aren't going to come off. So when it comes to sound quality, these feature 16.2 millimeter drivers that project sound directly to your ears. So these aren't to be confused with bone conducting headsets. These are basically speakers that rest around your ears. And I actually prefer the sound on these over the Bose earbuds. It just sounds more full, and I feel like there's more bass presence there as well. Now with a completely open style earbud like this, you're not going to achieve the same impactful type of sound that comes with a pair of earbuds or even headphones, but that's the price that you pay for the benefits that come with these. Now with that being said, for what these are, I do like the sound. It sounds very balanced, and like I said, it sounds very full, and you're getting some solid max volume. So for a pair of completely open style earbuds, these are delivering a very enjoyable sound. Something to keep in mind is that if you're in an area that's really quiet, these are going to leak some sound simply due to their design. So let's go ahead and do a sound leakage test. Now let's go ahead and do a microphone test to give you guys an idea of the call quality. All right, so this is a microphone test. So this should give you an idea as to how you would sound if you choose to take phone calls with these earbuds. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. So overall, if you're looking for a completely open design, I would definitely recommend checking these out. In my opinion, I do feel like they're a better purchase than the Bose Sport Open earbuds. Right now, they're only available through Kickstarter. So if you're interested, I will put the link down in the description. So that's going to be it for this video. Do me a favor, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, as well as subscribe to the channel. You can also follow me on social media to stay up to date on all the reviews that I'll have coming up. And aside from that, as always, I'll see you guys in the next one.